Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create branch, right? So let's start the tutorials. Currently in which branch we are? Branch, that is master. Okay, so how we are going to create the branch? Here you can also add git branch and git branch with the branch name. Suppose you can add test. Okay, so git branch, we are in the test. Currently we are in the master branch, but the branch test is created. Okay, so this is the first step, that you can create the branch with the only name git branch and the name of the branch. Another step is to create the branch from the UI part, from the GitHub. So let's go to the GitHub and let's create a branch. Here I'm going to add a branch. Find it. Here I'm going to test 2, right? Create branch from master. See, two branches have been created. Test 2 branch is created, but still test branch is not coming yet over here, right? So first branch we have created from the terminal, second we have created from this one. So how that branch going to be covered over here? So that gonna be done with the help of some of the files we need to add over here. So git checkout, how to shift to the branch, right? Git checkout minus p test. Margin test is already exist. Okay, so git checkout test. Okay, so where I'm switched to my current branch, previously it shows master. Let's check which branch it is in. Git branch. Currently I'm on the test branch. So let's add some of the files. So we have already the code, right? Add no batch file 6 to 9, right? 9 files. Okay, I'm going to add this in file to this branch. Status 6789 added. So git add all, git commit, then pull git add commit minus m. Uh, create new files, and add over here, right? Then git to push origin. Which branch? Test branch. Add the username. Forget my username always. And where's the password? So let's check this test branch is coming or not. Reload it. See, test has some recent changes, and now the test branch is appearing over here. So whenever you try with the terminal, it will not appear as soon as possible when you have created the branch from the terminal. When you push something on that branch, then it will appear on that branch, right? So this is how we are going to create the branch, and you will see how the process it works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.